Hi guys, Mike Jones from DC 101 here. I have been working with DC 101 for a long time. Before that though, I actually used to work fixing houses, and I would see a lot of stuff on the good side and on the bad side when it came to the products used in homes and also the quality of workmanship going on. And when I started talking with Harley and Aaron about working together with Window Nation, they explained their process to me and how each window that they put into homes here in the DMV and in a bunch of places around the country, how they take that time and care and detail with everything, how their windows are manufactured not just, all right, here's a standard size, pick it off the shelf, there you go. Each one is done for each individual customer and each individual home. And the fact that they use top quality materials for everything, that the windows are what the customers want, not, you only have one option. You have all kinds of different options with Window Nation. And that's why I'm excited to work with them and to tell you that Window Nation windows, if you've been thinking about doing it, if you're thinking about replacing windows that feel cold in your house during the winter, if you want to make sure your cooling costs go down in the summer, if you want to have an upgraded look, you want to add value to your home, Window Nation is the place to go. In fact, at windownation.com, there are tons of examples all over the place of finished products, finished windows that they installed that look so good, and they transform homes. They look like brand new places when Window Nation is done. They just look absolutely incredible. The Window Nation installers, they've been doing this for so long, and that's all they do. When they come out there, they're going to measure precisely, and then measure again and again to make sure one time is all they need to give your home the right windows from Window Nation. Window Nation, these are the guys that you want coming out to your home to do the job. They're going to do it right. They're going to do it custom. They're going to do what you want, and they're going to work with you on every facet of the job. Plus, they're going to get it done quick. Window Nation, guys, I can't stress it enough. You're looking to upgrade your home. You're looking to make a change. You've been thinking about this for a while. Window Nation, they are the place to go.